In today's video, we will see how to trademark your business in US. Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continuing creating valuable content for you. Below this video, I have shared a link. By using that link, you will come to this website where you will see that how simple the entire process is, and you will get to see all the benefit which I am going to show to you. So make sure you use that link to come to this website, and once you're here, just click on Get Started. For the registration of Trademark, it will cost you $299 plus the filing fee. We will get to see everything in detail. Once you click Get Started here, you will have to enter your contact information. So once you enter the contact information, once the entry is made, you can see the order summary on right hand side. So there is no surprise to you on what is happening. And then you come down, you will enter the entity type. So whether it is LLC, corporation, non-profit, you'll have to make that selection. For this video, I am selecting LLC, and then you have to select where the corporation is. So once that selection is made, enter the company name and the designator. So designator from this drop down, you'll have to select. Again, depending on your company, what you have chosen earlier, this drop down will show up. Make sure you are making no mistake. So here, once I write, everything comes in uppercase. So this is my company name and LLC. What you see here is what you have to confirm. So make sure you are making no mistake here. Then comes the company address, which you will enter looking at the certificate as it is. Let me come down. And here is the trademark information. So whether you're going only for the name, if you click name, you will get to see if it is a slogan or a design and logo. So you will have to make a selection of what that trademark is going to be. For example, I'm selecting name here. If it is slogan, you have to select that, or a design logo in your case, whatever it. Once you select here name, I'm saying I want that to be exactly as appears in the application. So example is given here. Just follow that. And once that is entered, where this list will be used for product and service offering using the mark. So if you have any apparel, bag, product where this will be used, you'll have to make a mention like how the example is. So here I have entered for Cyber 40. So Cyber 40 Shield is something which as a product I'm developing. So that will be used there, and the website to promote company's cybersecurity service, business card, and letterhead and office signage. In case you have an e-commerce business and you want to label on your product, so you can make those mentions here like this. Are you currently using this mark? In my case, it is no. If you're using, you'll have to select yes. Once that is done, by clicking this checkbox, I have read the acknowledgement. Once this is done, come down and click next. Now, this is the billing information page, and on right side, you see the order summary, a package fee of $149, attorney fee, and then the filing fee, and you get the total. So this can vary depending on which location you are selecting. The filing fee may be different. So in total, this is what you would be paying, and to pay, you'll have to use your credit card. And then you also get to see the verified purchases here. And once you fill in your detail, the card holder's information, billing address, and once you select I agree and complete pay, once the payment process happens, the company will get in touch with you and do a hand holding to get the trademark done for you. So friends, I hope find this video useful. All the resources are given in the description for your ease. So do check that out. Thanks for watching.